Hey guys, welcome to another video. I've been running out of video ideas. So if you can tell me in the comments any video ideas, ow, that hurt. Just tell me them and then I'll do them once I've not already done. So we're gonna start with this video today, just because I want to upload a video, but there's no actual ideas. I'm just gonna do some trading and stuff like that. So let's start. How am I logging into my account? 2015. My password. Yeah. I'm already scared. Look there, guys. What the flip? What the actual? It doesn't look like I've been hacked, so I've still got this here. I'm not sure if I've been hacked or not. But I've got the F-Man 122, look. Which, I'm not saying it's F-Man because he wouldn't. Because I think F-Man... Hasn't F-Man been mad? Yeah, F-Man's been mad. I'm just writing in random things like F-Man. F-Man 1. F-Man 1, 2. F-Man 1, 2, 3. F-Man 1, 2. 2. But literally, I don't think anything to do with F-Man will come up. So yeah, I think I might start on one down for a minute. I've got my den items, but I'm not sure. Hold on. I don't want the sound to be up. Let me click on my clothing. Wait, I used to have about 54 items. I think I've been hacked. I feel like crying. Guys. I think I'm gonna quit Animal Jam. I looked on this morning, and then after like 2 hours, well, as many hours as I woke up, because that's the time there, and I haven't been on it for that long. All I basically did was, I think I did a live video, and that's all. Wait. I think I've been hacked. Definitely. That's the end of it, guys. If you're watching this, no point subscribing. No point liking. Oh my god. Let me just have a play. Oh god, be right back. I can't just calm down. I've tried playing and everything. I don't know what to do. Please don't give me any hate in the comments. Saying like it's only pixels or anything like that. I don't care if it's pixels, they're rare pixels. I literally feel like an idiot. I won't be able to stop crying. Okay guys, oh my god, I can't even talk. I'm just gonna pause the video while I sort things out. Okay guys, I just wanted to tell you this video, I don't even know. This video was fake. It was a skit. I actually traded most of my items over to this account. I had to try and fake fly. So, like I said, I still want people to not send me items. Tell me in comments what videos I should do, because I've actually run out of ideas. And this is probably what I would act like if I had been hacked, maybe even worse. But it's going to take me an ages to trade all these items back. So guys, the reason why I did this video was I've already said that I've run out of video. I've got hair in my mouth. Video ideas. So I thought, why not do a skit? So please don't send me any hate in the comments. All I want in the comments is saying like, if you like this video, saying if you subscribe, stuff like that. No hate. So yeah, and if you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe. So I was saying reasons why I did this video. It's because I just like doing random videos like this. And I thought, why not do a video? And I was like, what should I do it on? And I was like, I know, I might make a pretend video. So, yeah. I do have another account. My nerd glasses on. So if I did get hacked, I have a spare account with actually good items on, like spikes and nerds and everything good. So if I got hacked, I can have that account as one of my accounts what I use. So I'm just trading over all these items. Some of these items are like this, I got from the Bumblebee passage in Bittersweet. So I will be doing a video of prizes you can get from Bittersweet. Probably in my next video. That'll be one of my videos ideas. So guys, if you enjoyed, please like, subscribe, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.